The third step in organizing your Google Drive is to find all of the files that you have that are labeled as or named as copy of files. So we would search for those the same way that we did the untitled ones. I like to start back at my drive from the very beginning, come up to search. Let's do the advanced search. We'll do any type this time. Owned by me, item name, copy of copy, and search. And now these are double or triple copies of documents that I've already got a master document for. I don't really need to keep these. So I can right click and I can move it to, I like to move these into a folder that I have created that says delete later, just to make sure it doesn't go straight to the trash, and it gives me a few minutes to get organized and think about whether or not I need to put it into a folder, or if once I figure out it may be my only copy of it. So I would move it to a folder that I have in my drive that's called delete, right there. And then I would click move here, and it just puts it into that temporary holding place instead of just outright deleting it. I can delete this folder at the end of the process.